Welcome to our Car Tech and Gadgets playlist. Today, we're diving into the future of car tech with this incredible car wireless charging pad. This is not your average car charger. This quick charger packs some serious punch. It's designed to work seamlessly with Apple iPhones, including the latest iPhone 14 series, as well as AirPods. Motorola, Huawei, LG, Google, Samsung Galaxy, and other brands are also in the mix. With Quick Charge 3.0 technology, you'll experience lightning-fast charging for your devices. Safety is a top priority. This quick charger is equipped with short-circuit protection, ensuring your devices stay safe during charging. Elevate your charging game with this Quick Charger QC 3.0 car charger. It's not just a charger, it's your reliable companion on the road. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more exciting content. If you want to learn more about the product featured in this video, check the link in the description below.